cancer was my biggest fear. Now, finally, I can say I am a cancer survivor. My name is Selena Dagdag Alas. I was a former sportscaster for the Ateneo Blue Eagles, also for PBA. I'm a wife, I'm a homemaker, I'm a believer of Christ. Now, finally, I can say I am a cancer survivor. It was in the early months of 2021 when I was diagnosed with a very rare form of cancer called gestational trophoblastic neoplasia. Back then, I was very much shaken. I remembered walking out of my doctor's clinic, falling into my husband Kevin's arms as I repeatedly cried, "Help me, God." You know, cancer was my biggest fear. And to have it in my 20s was a huge shock for me. So I began my chemotherapy. And naturally, with the strong medication, all sorts of complications arose. While I was doing chemo, tumaas po yung liver enzymes ko, bumaba po yung hemoglobin ko, bumaba po yung white and blood cells count ko. I had rashes, I had unexplainable fever, had low sodium, just to name a few. You know, it was a very hard time for me. Now, this is where my story begins with Barley. One of the people that the Lord used to encourage me during that difficult season of my life was my dear friend. You know, Ate Gemma was like a big sister to me. And it was through her that I discovered the use of JC Organic Barley. I remember when I was in the middle of my chemo treatments, she would send me all of these supplements, all of these medications and products, which she strongly believed will help my body recuperate. So I brought these supplements to my doctor. My doctor did careful research. And you know what? The only thing she cleared was the organic barley. I started taking JC Organic Barley along with the other supplements that my doctor prescribed. And by God's grace, I saw great improvements in my body. Just to take you back a few months, you know, I had to pause from chemo. I had to pause in between cycles kasi tumaas yung liver enzymes ko 5 times the normal level. Ang taas-taas ng liver enzymes ko noon that my body needed to rest from chemo. It was my body's way of demanding rest kasi malakas yung gamot. So in those days that I wouldn't do chemo and I would be at home resting, I would nourish my body with good food and with the JC Organic Barley. I saw my liver enzymes, they began to normalize. Apart from that, because of the type of cancer I had, I was bleeding a lot. So naturally, if nagdudugo po ang tao, bababa po talaga ang kanilang hemoglobin count. So I started taking JC Organic Barley. I still continue to take it until I saw that normalize as well. Eventually, I was pronounced cancer-free. On remission na po ako for over a year and 4 months, I believe. Still continue to take it because I heard and I researched several of its benefits. I learned that it would lower blood sugar levels, it would lower blood cholesterol levels, it would also help people with anemia, it would prevent osteoporosis, it aids with digestion. To top it all off, bukod sa mga benefits na yan, it also prevents certain types of cancers. By God's grace, I started to feel more and more like myself. I started to feel stronger, started to feel more energetic, kumbaga. So today, I stand before all of you healthy and well. Hallelujah! The Lord is good. It is my prayer that JC Organic Barley helps you just as much as it has helped me.
Actually, natatakot ako. Naiyak ako. Hindi, natatakot ako kasi baka mamana ng anak ko. Mahirap. Mahirap ang may diabetes. Mahirap. Lalo na ako laging mataas ang sugar. Hindi ko mapanormal. I'm Sheila Eluna, age 53, taga Gentry, Cavite. VP Finance ako sa company namin. Yung lifestyle namin kasi, ang problema namin, late kaming kumain kasi late kaming matulog. Man ako sa father ko yung diabetes. Magte 10 years na akong insulin dependent. First time kong nag-539, sabi ng doktor, kailangan na siyang ma-confine. Actually, natatakot ako. Naiyak ako. Hindi, natatakot ako kasi baka mamana ng anak ko. Mahirap ang may diabetes. Mahirap. Lalo na ako laging mataas ang sugar, hindi ko mapanormal. Yun yung kinatatakot ko na ma-adapt nila. Kasi ako na-adapt ko dahil sa parents. Sabi ng anak ko, si Sherwin, itry ko daw yung JC Barley. Nagitla ako actually sa lasa kasi nakatry na ako before ng ibang barley. Nasarapan ako. Everyday niya ako pinagtsatsagaan timplehan. First time kong nag-142. Sa akin, highly recommended ko ang JC Organic Barley natin. Kasi, na-experience ko napababa niya yung sugar ko. Mahalaga sa akin na magkaroon ako ng good health para sa family. Makakakope ako, makakasabay ako sa kanila. Kahit saan sila pumunta, kaya kong sumama. Hi, I'm Sheila Luna, and I choose JC.
Umiyak po ako alam niyo po yun yung from 10 tablets. Parang, sabi ko, Lord, sabi ng doctor, you don't need to take anymore. Wow! Way back, December 2018, I undergo po angioplasty. Meron po akong bara sa puso. Yung aorta, yun po, may bara po ako doon. Nung una po, ini-ignore ko lang siya kasi sabi ng doktor, meron ka ng mild stroke. Malakas lang ang resistensya mo, kaya ka nakasurvive. Yes. Sabi lang po ako, 220/180 na po yung BP ko. Pero po nakalakad pa rin po ako. Tapos sabi ng doctor sa akin, ang lakas ng resistensya mo, tsaka sabi niya, baka malakas ka dun sa taas. Sabi niya gano'n. Kasi my father died 2 days po bago ako naperahan. I stayed 55 days sa hospital to recover po. So I was taking my medicine po. 10 po yung maintenance ko I have my Concor, Twinsta, iba-iba po. Pati sa cholesterol level, inaano po yan. Yung maintenance ko talaga. So for 2018, 2024 nitong na ako mag-take ng gamot. Sabi ko, Lord, pinag-pray ko po talaga. When I will stop taking this medicine? I met Sir Raymond and his family po. Sabi niya, try mo itong barley. I was hesitant kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa...
Parang manhid na manhid siya, hindi siya gumagalaw. Tapos bumaba na siya hanggang shoulders. Nung nalaman niya na yun yung diagnose ng doctor sa ER, sabi niya, naku, na mild stroke na yan. Sabi niya, wag na yan palabasin.
Iyan ang nakakabahalang kwento ni Ace Mendoza, isang government employee at nanay sa 4 na bata. Sabi pa niya, dahil nakumpirma sa kanya ang mga sintomas ng mild stroke, hindi na siya pinauwi ng kanyang mga doktor.
Tapos pinahiga nila ako, chinek nila ako. Tapos, ang dami nilang questions. Parang mga 3 doctors yung kumakausap sa akin. And then, hindi ko napansin, yung isang doctor na nasa paanan ko, ginaganyan niya pala ng lapis yung talampakan ko. Wala akong nararamdaman. So, nag-declare sila na na-stroke nga ako. Nung nalaman niya na yun yung diagnose ng doctor sa ER, sabi niya, naku, na mild stroke na yan. Sabi niya, wag na yan palabasin.
2 linggo si Ace sa ospital. 12 days sa intensive care unit at 2 araw naman sa regular room. Kinailangan niya ang wheelchair at walker para sa kanyang mga paggalaw, bukod sa therapy at mga gamot. Sabi niya sa social media niya nalaman ang tungkol sa mga benepisyo ng barley.
I heard the barley before sa social media. Dami kong nakikita ng mga barley iba-iba. Tinatry ko siya. And yung iba kasi, hindi siya masarap. Mapakla siya, may amoy siya, tsaka hindi siya healthy kasi iba yung effect sa katawan ko. Until I discovered yung JC Organic Barley. Nakita ko siya sa online. And then nung una, ayoko pa nga siyang bilhin. Pero nung nakita ko yung mga testimonies, why not give it a try? Nag-order ako, and then I met this person, si Carl. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ng JC Organic Barley. So, maganda yung effect niya sa akin.
2 buwan pa lamang niyang iniinom ang JC Organic Barley ay naramdaman na niya na maganda ang epekto nito sa kanyang katawan at kalusugan.
Maganda yung effect niya sa akin. Very healthy siya. Lalo na nung na-research ko siya, na ang dami pala niyang nutrients and vitamins na nakatulong sa katawan ko. More calcium than milk. Kaya very healthy siya. Bigla na lang akong nagiging malakas, nawala yung mga sakit ng mga joints ko. Tapos, nung sumunod na week na nag-try ako, sabi ng doctor ko, sige, buwasan na natin yung gamot mo kung maganda yung effect sa'yo.
Bukod na siya ay nakaranas ng mild stroke, binabantayan din ni Ace ang kanyang sugar level, kolesterol at issue sa puso. At sabi niya, nakatulong din ng gusto ang JC Organic Barley.
I drink JC every morning when I wake up before I do anything else. And then before I sleep. Actually, before kasi, gusto ko talaga yung healthy living. Gusto ko siya. Kasi syempre, meron akong mga inaalagaan. So, I'm not just living on my own. So, I have my mom to take care of and then the kids. Due to my mild stroke, hypertensive kasi ako. And then, mataas yung cholesterol ko. Meron akong heart problem. Medyo nagkakaroon ng taas yung diabetes ko dahil may lahi din kami ng ganon. Pero nung uminom ako ng nag-normal siya, mas nakakatulong siya na maiwasan ko yung mga hindi magagandang habits ko. And then, kailangan yung healthy lang talaga kasi maganda yung nutrients na binibigay niya sa katawan mo. So, yun yung nagbibigay sa akin ng boost. Lalo ko pa siyang pagandahin yung health ko para mas lalo ko matulungan yung family ko at yung ibang tao. I recommend JC Organic Barley to make it a habit na pwede siyang maging gift mo. Hindi lang siya basta ginagamit for your good health siya.
Jan Scosio, Radyo Inquirer Online. Bayang nagtatanong, mamaya nag-uusisa.